G'day, how you going? I hope you don't mind the walking start here. Finding a quiet spot around here at the moment. It's actually turned out to be rather difficult. So I'm kind of looking for somewhere. This is not too bad. I can stop and talk about something that I think I've heard covered once or twice in passing, but never like properly and in depth. And it's XT60 plugs, or all plugs. Dean's, XT30, same design. Haven't had a problem with JSTs in this particular problem. They're quite tight, but it's basically, they're all good for their given ratings, but really it can be a problem when they wear out. Well, not wear out, but when they get worn. And I'll show you on the bench in a minute when I'm doing some tweaking to this little girl. But the pins get pushed together, the barrels wear out, and if you're doing a lot of flying, like you may have seen in the intro there, and you're bouncing around, practicing your moves, then you're probably going to, and you've got a warm plug, you're probably going to have it come out. And some of you may experience this, and it's fine when it's on the ground, but what if it's just about to come out? And what if you're flying and it comes out? And what if you're pulling a power loop, like in the video? Well, this is what you have to do to make sure your plugs don't get loose because of their overuse. And I'd advise you do it regularly, otherwise you just get caught by surprise by it. If you ever got a plug that's super easy to go in, it's super easy to come out. Anyway, let's get to the bench. Right, so here we are back at the bench. I've got the required tool to help with this preventative maintenance, and I'm going to zoom on in. So hopefully you can see that nice and clearly. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take the blade, and I'm going to go between the pins of the XT60, and I'm not going to leave it side to side because you snap your blade. I'm just going to go in. That's all. Just go straight down and come back out. And again, using the end to get in. If they're pushed together hard, use the blade to slide in between them. So slide in. And you see, I push these apart. Fumble fingers. Be careful when handling a knife. And again, the other pins here. And that just pushes those pins apart a little bit more, so that when you are sticking on the other plug, as you can see, it's a nice solid to pull out. And yes, that's a new plug. I've got some used plugs over here. So here we go. It's one of my older Florian batteries. Good batteries, lasted a long time. And that's nice. That's good. That's what you need to do. And I'd do that, if you're flying 3-4 packs a day, once a week. I'd just have a look. If it needs doing, do it. And just keep checking it. If you find that these plugs are super easy, super in, super easy out, you need to do it. Because what can happen is, as it goes along, so the plug can be sitting there, just in, and then boop, it just gets pulled out. No effort at all. So you really need to make sure, pull quad, that it's in, it's solid, and it's not going anywhere. It's just one of those things that can catch you out even after years of flying. You can forget about it, get out an old quad, and it needs it, and boom, there you go. Yep. Having a, unplanned lithobraking event. Anyway, thank you very much for watching, and I hope you learned something, and if anyone has any other tips and tricks to do with battery plugs and maintaining them, please put them down below in the comments section. Stay safe out there, and have a great day. Oh, she's seen me. She's seen me. Hello. How you doing, Lou? Yes, I was coming out to make a video, but there's noises, so I saw you, and I said I'd video you instead. Hello. How you going? Oh, buddy, what you doing, huh? What you doing?